It was a gathering of some of the sharpest young minds in the Southwest as future engineers, researchers, and scientists came together in a downtown arena to battle for supremacy in the robotics world. This was where the payoff took place. After months of planning and designing and engineering robots, some that weighed more than 60 pounds, students from all over Texas and New Mexico assembled in the Amarillo Civic Center and put it all on the line. The event appeared to be a combination of mixed martial arts, a championship athletic event, and the demolition derby. Fans packed the stands, waving flags, mascots led cheers, and pom-poms bounced up and down as fans cheered. What made this event different from other school activities was the activity itself. As powerful robotic machines sped across the arena floor, the intellect of these students as they operated their robotic devices was palpable. The Roswell Independent School District's entry, Early College High School, brought a formidable team of students who had designed and programmed their robot. Other schools taking part in the competition included Flower Mound High School with its 3,600 students and McKinney High School, which had a student population of over 3,000. With a total of 163 students in the entire school, Early College High School came in with a considerable disadvantage. Then, early in the competition, the ECHS robot struck a metal column, causing a malfunction which shut the machine down.
What exactly happened was that when we slammed into the stand that you have for the robots to harmonize on, it knocked loose one of the wires, and when we shot and started to move again, the wire that connected the Robo Rio to the power distribution panel came loose and the Robo Rio completely shut off.
Our autonomous code was set to go forward, but our robot kind of drifted into the left, and so that managed to hit the chain in our field, and that caused our launching mechanism to kind of collapse in on our robot. When we pull our robot from the field, and we found out that our wires got pierced by the launcher when it hit the chain. So now we're going about replacing the parts, making sure that the launcher cannot pierce our wires again, just making sure that we have a lot more integrity in terms of our wiring system.
The two-day event featured non-stop action. Each school was scheduled with literally dozens of opportunities to compete against other schools' robots, and every time the ECHS team took their machine into the main arena, they made sure it was a learning opportunity.
Rampage scoring again.
For all of us, it's more of a learning experience than it is trying to win. Here we are working on the robot. We've got people collaborating, learning different jobs or skills.
For the Early College Robotics team, the 2 days spent at the first Robotics Challenge competition was a learning experience. Competing against schools, some with a student population 20 times the size of ECHS, was an opportunity to not only watch and observe how other teams competed in the event, but to participate and experience the intensity, speed, and pace that is required to compete.
More about collaboration and seeing what other teams have so we can learn how to do better in the following years.
Next year, the ECHS robotics team will be back in Amarillo, and they will come in more experienced and a little wiser, knowing what to expect and ready to compete. And those giant Texas high schools with their fancy travel vans and entourage of students, teachers, and advisors, they had better be ready for tiny Early College High School, because it won't be long before they start making others take notice.